So we're going to finish up on this. We had created a new database right here. As you can see, this is the database. So like we had said, if you want to open, you must click on there, and then you have the parking list, and this is the list property. So I want us to edit this property, and I want us to give ourselves options. So we're going to include phone. Right? So what I'm not understanding is why it's not naming. Why it's not? Like it's not adding. Why is it not adding? Okay, let's try again. Add option. New option. Charger. Duplicate property. Delete property. Okay, that is not what I wanted to do. Delete. So we're going to delete this one. I need. Okay. Okay. Let's try to do it a different way, right? So we have text. We have number. We have select. We can use select, right? So add an option. Let's try again. Charger. Okay, that added. So sijui nafaa nikuwe nikipress enter because that's what I did differently. And then we have laptop. And then we have camera. And then we have power bank. What are things you guys back? I have uh okay, let's make it equal here content creator or something like that. We have microphone, we have lights. Look at how I spelled microphone. What else would a content creator carry? Do you guys carry business cards? I don't think it's important to carry business cards anymore. Yeah, digital business cards you can always share, but you know, if you're an aesthetic girly, so you have a bag. Okay, let's just Sema. That's the name. That's the backing list line microphone. Okay, it's not coming how I want it to come. Power bank. And then so this one. Hebu, let's try this again. Rename. Si tumefanya hiyo ingine imewaka. So let's try this again. So let's add an option. We have phone charger. Oh yeah, nice. Okay, that worked. You have phone charger, and then you have power bank. Oh, villain. You have data cable. You have lights. You have. Do you guys have props? Let's see. What else do you have? You have your phone. You have your camera. You have your laptop. Did we haven't added laptop? Okay. Just forgive the editing. I just wanna we'll care about the aesthetic later, but it is just you get the thoughts on paper, right? Okay. So we have list here, and then if we select that, that. I don't know if you're seeing the difference between list and select. So select you have only one option, but list you can like okay, let's say you wanna pack all these things down. So you come here. No, sorry, you come here. It's empty, which means you haven't packed anything. Then now when you pack your laptop, you select. When you pack your camera, you're like done. When you pack your phone, you're like done. When you pack your props, you're like done. When you pack your lights, you're like done. When you pack your whatever your data cable, you're done. When you pack your power bank, you're done. When you pack your basically That's the gist, that's what's up. Okay, so we're gonna check something out because I'm not sure that this is so effective. So let's try adding a different property, right? Uh, I'm thinking, okay, we created time, date status, multi select. Okay, status, date, password, URL, email, phone, formula, relation, roll up. What is roll up though? I need to do that. Let's chat one nini. To view nini, view and aggregate information about properties from relation properties useful for summarizing interconnected data. Okay, hiyo tutalearn about today. Mi packing list yangu hainifurahishi sana, lakini I won't delete this one because it's not delete this property. It's not working for what we want to achieve here. It's not working. You see when you do that, 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 you do that. You see what you've got, and then you can enter here. You'll see what you haven't packed. But I feel like it's not as good, so we're going to need to work on that. Now, travel itinerary. I don't know if you can add a timeline for this one, but let's do this in the next video.